Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of those boring yellow lights and get brighter white lights. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I'm back making a new video again. Got some more things for the car. It's going to be more LEDs, so it's going to be interior LEDs and then like the rear end LEDs, so tail lights, reverse light, and I didn't get turn signal lights, but I'll get those another day. So go ahead and start unboxing these. Alright, so I got the scissors. Let's go ahead and just start with this bag, I guess. I don't know what exactly is in what bag or box, just because I did order everything at the same time and kind of didn't pay attention to what was where, but hey, everything has to be in here, so. Alright, so we got the LED tail lights from Sylvania. LED red, says in top corner. They're gonna be LED lights. So new LED lights for the brake lights. And that was it for this bag. So go ahead and open, let's just open this box. Alright, so in this one, we got the Boya mic. This is a clip-on mic. It has the aux to it. I'm going to be using this because my audio isn't the greatest, so hopefully this helps out with audio a lot. Right now I'm just recording with the built-in mic from the Canon G7X. So hopefully this works good. I got two sets of, yet again, Mars Auto LED lights. This is going to be for my car and my girlfriend's car because we have the same car almost. So they're the interior lights. I can even get a thing out of the bag. There we go. Here's what the bulb looks like. There we go. Look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 on the sides and then one LED right on top. So they should be pretty bright and they're going to be white. And we'll show you later what those look like installed in the car. Let's go ahead and open this bag. Okay, it's completely sealed. Alright, there we go. We got it open. First thing, LED reverse lights right here. Alright, so these are going to be from Oxylam. I don't know, some Amazon company that I bought these off of Amazon. They're the reverse lights in LED. I saw good reviews about this one, so hopefully they're pretty bright or bright enough for the reverse light just to be an LED now. So next, just a little screen protector I got for the camera, just because why not? So I wouldn't scratch the screen too much when I'm using it. I'm not sure what this is. Sorry, I'm sweating a lot. It's freaking hot today. Oh, this is gonna be the U-rig. I got this little bracket piece. That's for the camera. It goes right on the camera, so that way I can have the microphone go on this side of the camera now, because the G7X doesn't come with like a little holder for the microphone, so I got it. I'm going to be using a shotgun mic. I'll show you guys right now which one it is. Alright, so here you go. There you go, as you can see it. Boya MM1 Plus, says it right here. That's gonna be the little shotgun one. Hopefully this one helps out with a lot of the audio quality, because I don't want to have that distortion anymore or any background noise too much. Alright, so next thing in here, or last thing in here, is gonna be this Joby 3K kit. It's basically the tripod for the camera, so you can use it like as a vlogging handle. Since this camera is like super small, that's why I ended up getting it, because it would just give me another way to hold it more comfortably. Just whether I'm doing install videos or at a car meet or stuff, like I can just have a tripod also. I have one that I'm using right now, but it's like a stationary kind of tripod that you can use for like photos and like little things like that. But I wanted kind of like a small little, how do you call it? Portable tripod, just to make it more convenient. So let's go ahead and go to the last box. Not sure what I'm missing. Alright, so we got in this one. I don't know what this is. Oh, you know what this is? This is ice beamer right there. This one is not an LED, but it's going to be the wider type rear view mirror. I got it because I had it in my previous car. Kinda. It wasn't like the same one. It was just like a bigger mirror, just so you could see a wider area of your like blind spots behind you, and like not just like a tiny little mirror. I've never really had like this big of one, but I bought a bigger one than what I had before, because obviously I measured a little bit and it allowed me to have a bigger one. So hopefully with this one it'll look a little better in the rear view mirror. I'll be able to see a little bit more. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so there we go. Got it open. That's going to be the mirror. Look how wide it is. Like my hand comparison. It's like two of my hands almost, apparently, from end to end. So hopefully this one works out a lot better. I'm going to be installing it as well, so you guys can go ahead and see what that one looks like. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm going to leave all this stuff down below in the description. You guys can check out all the lights, the LED lights that I bought, and this mirror. So you guys can check them out if you guys want one for yourself. And the camera stuff, well, that's just extra. It's just to show you guys exactly what I'm going to be putting toward my camera, so I can have better quality content for you guys. And I mean, if you guys want to see that stuff, I'll probably put it down in the description. But just like for you guys to see like how different the quality can be just from buying like a microphone or buying the tripod. So now it's like not super shaky or anything like that. So that'll all just be down in the description. So let's go ahead and go to the car and we'll start installing everything. Alright, so right now we're going to be switching out this back dome light with this LED. So to take this plastic cover off, since I don't have a thin enough pry bar, I'm just going to be using the tip of this knife. And all we got to do is stick it in right here very carefully and pry it off to the side. And there we go. It should just come right out. Now exposing the bulb, so just grab it and pinch and pull. And then we're going to be installing the LED now, and just push it into the little socket where it goes, and it should just fit perfectly. We can always test it before we close this up. There you go, it's working completely. So let's just go ahead and cover it up now. There we go, and it's working. Alright, now we're up front. These are the map lights. We're going to be removing them the same way we did with the back. Grabbing the knife again, propping it right here on the back side, and just pulling on it enough to where it'll poke out because of these little clips. And now we'll grab the bulb, replace it with yet another LED. And I'm testing it. It works. So we can cover this side back up. Test it again, and it still works. Side by side, look, we have the yellow on this side and a much brighter white on the left side. So let's go ahead and switch over to this side and we'll take that one out. Okay, same thing. Grab it on the back side and push down on it. There we go. Turn it off so the bulb isn't too hot. Alright, there goes the old bulb. Now we're going to be putting in the new one. Alright, there we go. Installed. Testing it again. This one works, so we can cover it right back up. And there we go, we got both of them in with the new white, brighter lights for the map lights. Alright, so we're in the trunk now. We're going to be putting in the new LEDs, which are located under the trunk lining. Go ahead and take off the two tabs that are under here. I'm going to be using the same pry tool that I used in the last video. So go ahead and take both of them off. Alright, now that we got them off, just go ahead and peel back the lining. And the bulb should be located right here, right underneath it. So just go ahead and grab it and twist it, and then it should just come right out. And then what you want to do as well is also pinch and pull the little cable tab that's on it to disconnect it. And there you go. Here's the original bulb that's in there. So just grab it and pull it off. There you go. And then we're going to go ahead and put the new LED bulb. This is what it looks like. 1 second. Any day now. Focus. There we go. Now we have the new LED bulb that's right here. Just go ahead and put it back into the little housing thing. Click it in, and then go ahead and just plug it back in again, and it should click yet again onto the cable, and just find the hole where it was, and then do your steps backwards. Now just go ahead and twist it back in, and there we go. I got it in. Alright, so now that you got it plugged in and it's all set and secured, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. Alright, so we're going to be doing this LED, the same ones that we did inside, although we're supposed to be red for the brake light, but it still works. So just grab this, twist it, and it should come right out. Pinch and take out the housing, and there's the bulb for you. Now just grab the new LED, put it into the housing, and then it should go right back into the socket. Now just clip it back in and twist till you hear click. There you go, and there you go, we have it installed. Alright, so we're back here. This is the reverse light. We're going to be doing this LED light for an upgrade on the regular reverse light. So pinch and pull the cable out of it. Then to take out this little bulb, you're going to twist away from you, pull it out. Here's that OEM bulb. You're going to pull it out of here, grab the new one that I just dropped, and then just slide it right in and reverse it and just twist it back in till it clips and push this back in, and there you go. Installed the reverse light with a new LED. Alright, so we're going to be switching out this license plate bulb now. All you got to do is pinch the back side of it and pull it out. There you go, you unplug the cable. Now what you got to do for this one, reach your hands in here, and it has two little clips that you have to push into. And there you go. It comes out with the whole housing of the bulb. There it is inside. Alright, so you're going to take out this old bulb, drop it off to the side, then LED light right here, just go straight in to the socket for the housing, as so. There it is in there, and then just clip it back into place. There we go, we got the light installed right there, and then last thing we got to do is just plug it right back in. Alright, so the final light that we're going to be switching out is this trunk light. Obviously you can see it's yellow. I'm not a big fan of the yellow, so we're going to be switching out with another LED. Yellow as hell, and I don't really like it, so just pull out on the right side. Cable's on the left, so just unplug this blue tab. Be careful because the light will be hot. So let me take out this bulb. Alright, so now that I got the bulb out, we're going to be using this LED yet again. This one just slots right on the inside of this, like so. Plug it back in to test it, and there you have it. It's working perfectly. And just reinstall this down in here, and there you go. You get a bright white light. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the whole video. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you did watch all the way through, after we installed these ones, I have way better lighting in here to do this outro. These LEDs, I'm gonna leave everything down in the description of this video. So yeah, if you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. Follow me on this journey from stock to modified, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.